it right. Aray ko, putang ina mo, gago. Tangina ka. Last for more than just one night. Ano siya sa naliliyo?
Pakinggan mo na lang. Lip sync ka na lang.
Ulit mo pare. Ulit. Video ba talaga?
Lagyan muna natin na manigigiri. Sabi ko nga. Sino maraming gas? Pare mo.
1/4 ako, hindi ako kumarga eh.
Maubos na yung akin.
But I think my home may have been too much.
Pops,
Cause
lagyan na
Lord
natin.
knows we're not anywhere.
Pre, ano, bili tayo? Gas.
Seems we're always blowing.
Yay!
Whatever we've going, and it seems the time
Pare, tayo lang ang nag-ito.
we haven't got a friend.
Ina mo, barakada ka dito.
Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong?
Gitna ka sa ano.
Why the good times never last for long? What are we doing wrong? Tanginan.
Akin pa, dos?
Just
Sayan, no?
once. Wala na ako eh. Can we find a way to finally make it
Bigyan ko
right?
yan?
Hindi.
Akin yan. Ito yung katayin
To
mo.
make the magic
Easy yata,
last
easy
for
yun.
more than just
Pare, ubusin mo na
one
yan.
night.
Busin mo yan.
I know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. I want to understand
Baba ng...
why we always come back to goodbye. Sandali.
Alam mo, ipa-BTR natin to, pare. Sabihin natin sa
And
ABS-CBN.
admit to one another we're good without each other. Make the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together just once. Can we find a way to finally make it right? Whoa, to make the magic last for more than just one night.
Pare, YouTube ah.
I know
YouTube yan.
we could break
YouTube
through
yan.
Putang ina pinatay. If we could just get to it just once.
Pare, ay, picture tayo, pare. Sarap pa picture doon.
Whoa!
Susunod tayo, pare. Tama na.
We could get to
Pare, tama na.
it
Puta, tama na eh.
just once. Tangina, patayin mo na.
Naka-record pa yan.
Mahal ko kayo. I love you all. Fuck you, Nomad. Fuck you, Aaron.
Pare, pare.
Sakit ng ulo ko sa utok.
Pare, tinura mo ako. Mapupunta sa Yahoo yan.